Mdex is losing its position and presently stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a coursing supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is somewhat new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few similitudes to standard DEX. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, giving it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum biological system. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources through its pools utilizing its computerized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Likewise, it gives awards in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and brokers. What makes Mdex novel? Mdex convention has a few elements making it stick out. It is quick and solid. Contrasted with Ethereum, the charge is lower. All things considered, it isn't similar to a security coin with a colossal accentuation on mysterious exchanges. A portion of the critical elements of Mdex are robotized market producer. Mdex helps associations in building and sending off applications at rapid by giving a stage that upholds this cycle. The exchanges should be possible every minute of every day utilizing the stage, in contrast to customary trading. Mdex value figure, market feeling. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized design. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing brilliant agreements. The trading of this kind works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market interest. What makes Mdex exceptional is its programmed market creator highlight. They likewise plan to expand their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding different resources for the trade. They additionally plan to offer more easy-to-use models and reinforce their local area and manage its administration. As indicated by the designer's arrangements, the trade will turn into a center point for changing resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to coordinate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, fates contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a clear chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost estimate. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice according to our Mdex conjecture. Mdex cost today rises to 23 cents. However, your ongoing venture might be degraded from here on out. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a greatest cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex conjecture toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex gauge, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal least cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. In addition, the Mdex worth can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 33 cents. As per our cost conjecture, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to arrive at the very least value level of $5.62. The Mdex cost can arrive at a greatest cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its opposition level of $6.21. In light of our cost conjecture, the Mdex worth could arrive at the greatest value level of $2.21. The base value level may be around its pivotal opposition level of $2. The ongoing cost of Mdex is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The unequaled exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in no less than 7 days with no opposition. The volume cost activity is obviously apparent in the Mdex cost outline. Anything caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested instability currently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight style. The overall strength record hit oversold conditions in September and, for the present moment, the opposition level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. However, the Mdex cost conjecture framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex stirring things up around town levels in 2 months or less. Alternately, on the off chance that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the MDX cost could fall to the help levels according to digital money forecast. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging systems, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex market over the combination region that structures over the obstruction level. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash choices and create gains involving the expansion in inferred unpredictability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footholds at the most extreme cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. Mdex value expectation, 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we believe that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the undertaking advancement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in the positive heading, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex gauge. Mdex value forecast 2022. As per general data for the speculations, crucial and specialized examination ought to be finished if one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Subsequently, merchants ought to do their own exploration, examine the pattern in markets, and take speculation exhortation from their monetary consultant prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value forecast 2023. The Mdex value forecast depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient displaying strategies. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with digital currencies news, different conjectures, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value expectation 2024. According to the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. In general, financial backer feeling and cryptographic money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex value forecast 2025. In view of the verifiable information in Mdex cost conjecture, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex value expectation 2026. As per the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of appropriate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin. Where could I at any point purchase Mdex coins? Mdex is accessible on Huobi Worldwide, Gate.io, and the MDEX trade, among other driving trades on the lookout. Is Mdex dependable? Indeed, MDX is a dependable crypto as it showed what itself can do as a quick and secure digital currency. It is adaptable, as well as it tends to be traded out for other cryptos. Other digital currencies don't be guaranteed to give this trading of coins. Is Mdex a wise venture for 2022? At the point when posed the inquiry on the off chance that Mdex is a wise